Fire is actually a chemical reaction. And today I'm going to show you why understanding the science behind fire can literally save your life. Most people think of fire as this mysterious, uncontrollable force. But once you understand what fire actually needs to exist, putting it out becomes surprisingly simple. And I'm going to prove it with a demonstration that will change how you think about fire safety forever. Fire needs 3 things to exist: heat, fuel, and oxygen. Scientists call this the fire triangle. Remove any one of these 3 elements, and the fire dies instantly. Most fire suppression methods work by removing heat. Water cools the burning material below its ignition point. Fire extinguishers work by removing heat and creating a barrier between fuel and oxygen. But fire blankets use the most direct approach. They completely eliminate oxygen. Here's why this is so effective. When you cover a fire with a blanket, you create an airtight seal. No oxygen can reach the fire, so the chemical reaction that creates flames simply stops. It's not just suppressed or reduced, it's completely eliminated. Watch this demonstration. I have a controlled grease fire here, similar to what might happen in your kitchen. If I use water, don't try this at home, look what happens. The fire spreads because water and oil don't mix. The water vaporizes instantly, carrying burning oil particles everywhere. Now watch what happens with a fire blanket. Pull, cover, done. The fire is completely extinguished because I've removed one element of the fire triangle: oxygen. But here's the really cool part. Fire blankets don't just work on grease fires. They work on electrical fires because they don't conduct electricity like water does. They work on fabric fires, paper fires, even chemical fires in some cases. The science is the same. No oxygen equals no fire. This is why fire blankets are standard equipment in laboratories, industrial kitchens, and anywhere fire safety is critical. The science doesn't lie. This is the most reliable way to extinguish small fires safely and completely.